This is the co-pilot control panel. This is what you will see in front of you when you are sitting in the co-pilot seat inside the cockpit here at the Flight Academy. The co-pilot control panel displays nearly all of the information and controls that the pilot control panel does. The co-pilot is responsible for engaging these controls and communicating with the jock while the pilot is focused on flying the aircraft and executing the mission. If you look at the upper right part of the screen, you see different tabs you are able to select. These are the different subpanels you can use to effectively execute your mission. The subpanel shown right now is the Calc subpanel, or Calculator subpanel. I will address the other subpanels in the next slide. Below these tabs are a readout of all of the pertinent information you need to know about the aircraft. Starting at the top, you see the heading. This is also shown on the pilot control panel with the compass. Right below that, there's the altitude above ground level. Below that is the altitude in feet above sea level. Then moving on, there's the airspeed, the fuel percentage left, the fuel flow at the current rate you are flying, the fuel remaining in pounds, Zulu time, which is relative to Greenwich, England, the ship's time, which is Yorktown that you'll be taking off of, and local time. Below that are all the controls we talked about on the pilot control panel. When they're illuminated, they're engaged. When they're gray, that means they are not engaged. There are a couple different ones. On the bottom right, there is DWN. This is a downward view, and by using the toggle on your joystick, you're able to exit that downward view. On the left-hand side, there's GREV. When you're sitting on the deck of the aircraft carrier, or on a runway, this makes the aircraft capable of going in reverse, much like a commercial aircraft being pulled out of the gate. These are the co-pilot subpanels we were referring to on the co-pilot control panel page. On the upper left, you have your landing subpanel. This will show you the appropriate glide slope to land on an airstrip. To the right, you see the map subpanel. You'll be able to see general topography below your aircraft. On the bottom, you see the target subpanel. There you will be able to see all the targets around your aircraft, and you'll be able to do things such as lock on with your weapons or match speeds. These subpanels can be used appropriately to execute your mission successfully.